It's not clickbait, it's not April Fool's. Buffalo bought a 737 and I'm very excited. I've been working on this project for about 8 or 9 months now, and we're getting to almost the end of it, up to a point where actually it's time to share it with the world, share it with you, because we're going to be putting up job postings. Actually, there's going to be a pilot job posting in the description if you want to come fly a 737 with us at Buffalo Airways. But I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. The aircraft is currently in Bournemouth, United Kingdom, and we're super excited. We're going to be seeing this airplane very soon, but for now, this is just a very small sneak peek specifically for you.
Well, the aeroplane's been with us now for about a year. It's been through storage checks, and that picks up little defects along the line, and then it comes into here for the main checks. And we found quite a few items, but it's all been replaced. We hopefully, if we get all the parts in time, within a month or two, we should be finished.
This is a big step for Buffalo Airways. I'm going to be bringing you along for the ride. Let's go get this airplane and see what we can do with it.